Hello Windows Universe! Michael here with the Windows Club, coming at you with a Windows fire that will leave your jaw on the floor. You want to extend the volume of a drive. Usually you would use the built-in disk management tool, the Diskpart, or the Fsutil command lines to create, resize, extend, and delete partitions. But what if the extend option is grayed out or the extend commands fail? Now, in this video, we're going to look under the hood and give a tune-up to get this working for you. In this video, we will look under the hood and give you a tune-up to get you back on the road and working. We'll also link an article in the description down below that will offer more insights and info. The Windows operating system lets you extend any volume on a drive so long as there is free or unallocated space. If there is no free space, then you will not have this option and it will appear to be grayed out. Now, before we get started, let's go over a few pieces of advice. The partition must have an associated volume before it can be extended. For basic volumes, the unallocated space must be on the same disk and must follow the partition which you want to extend, meaning it must appear on the right side in disk management. A dynamic simple or span volume can be extended to any empty space in a dynamic disk. If the partition was previously formatted with NTFS, the file system is automatically extended to fill the larger partition and no data loss occurs. If the partition was previously formatted with a file system other than NTFS, the extend command most likely will fail. And if the partition was not previously formatted with a file system, the partition would be extended. Well, you probably kind of knew all that already, so let's do a workaround. So, say you have a system drive C and a data drive D, and you want to extend the D drive, but it's grayed out. What you can do is shrink the system drive to create unallocated space, which will be on the left side. Create a new volume with this unallocated space, then move your data from the D drive to this new volume. Having done this, delete the D drive and then you'll be able to extend the new drive since there will be unallocated space now on the right side. Now suppose you're after extending the C drive or the system drive. Then you copy all of your D or data drive to an external drive or a USB. Once that's done, you delete the D volume. That will allow you to extend the C volume, utilize the space you want, and then with the remaining unallocated space, create a new volume and simply name it D. And then transfer your data back to the new D drive. Now, have you had a grayed out extended volume option in Windows 10? How did you fix it? Let us know in the comments down below. For more helpful hints and how-tos on Windows 10, visit our website at thewindowsclub.com. Hey, and do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content that will make your digital life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and have a great day.